Whoa! Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Whoa! Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released. You may see that coil in here. It's right next to my one that's having the coil replaced. Seems like it's holding up okay. Coil gets replaced tomorrow. Was the soonest it could happen. Let's see what's going on with this other AC. No compressor. Fans running, but no compressor. So, take a look. What we got? Oh, we got a burned common wire. See on the ground already. Looks like to me. Oh, maybe not. Maybe, yeah. Wow. Right there. Alright. Let's discharge. And let's see what's going on. Whoa! Did you see that? See? Do they spark? Can you get, would that have given a pretty good jolt? I think so. And I think it's because the wire was burned, so it no longer bled off the charge. But that's why it's always a good idea to discharge. That was a pretty strong little jolt. I mean, might not have killed me, but you know, wouldn't have been too fun. All right, I'm going to test the capacitor. I'm also going to replace that, repair the burned wire. So here's for the capacitor. This one most likely is a 35. Let's see. Oh, it's a 45. Look at that. I wonder what we've got in here. What do you think? Think we got a 45 in there? It looks like a 35 to me. Let's take a look. 35. Got the wrong size capacitor for this compressor. Should be a 45, so we'll change that as well. Let's see what we lost here. Was the red run wire. Yep. That's what I've seen before when they burn like that. It's usually, or when the capacitor didn't discharge, you know, when it popped like that. Anyway, shouldn't be too bad here. Let's see what we got. Got my clippers. I should have a new wire lead. Got my strippers. And I should have a 45 right here. Let's see. Says. I'll probably even have a 45.5, can eliminate the jumper. But I'm actually out of 5s, so I might do that and recover the 5 there. Let's see what we got. 34.65, so it's still good for its deal. Yeah, let me see if well, let's test our 45 here. This one that was in my bag. .45, so that's good. And let me see if I have a 45.5, because I'm actually, like I said, I'm out of 5, so I need to, yep, I got a 45.5. So we can just hook this one up instead. get rid of the jumper, and I'll recover that 5. So I still got part of the summer to make it through. So alright, we can save the jumper wire. It's good for something. Here's our common. Alright. And I'll test my 45.5, and we'll also test this hard start kit while I'm here. Should be right around 50. Up. Come back here. Being stubborn. .46, that's good. Alright, and then here's our 45. Common in the center, Herm in the back. So common and Herm in the back should give us 45 on the dual cap. 44.9, that's good, and common and fan in the front should give us 5. 4.92, so that's good. Alright. So for the back we'll go with 1 lead from the hard start and then the yellow wire for the Herm as soon as I can find where it went through. Alright. Just trying to hide. That's a little loose. Tighten that up a little. Much better. And then the common in the center. Alright. Second lead of the hard start kit. Alright. And then the fan right in the front. Now we got a 45 in there, and we still need to repair that wire. But now I'm going to label it inside before I forget. So it's a 45/5. 45/5. All right. Now everyone will know. I got a new wire lead. Alright. So I find my strippers and a lighter. This has got a butt connector on the end, and then you slip the sleeve over and melt it down. So maybe we didn't get a good crimp. Who knows? Seems to be on there pretty good though. Make sure we're gonna reach. Oh yeah. It's a new compressor, so shouldn't have too much trouble. Shouldn't be in the keyword. So we're just going to avoid losing any strands. And I definitely lost them. So gotta start fresh. tend to do better with my Leatherman, honestly, than wire strippers. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so this we're going to take and we're going to crimp. With these, you got to be careful to get the crimp right on the end and not too far back, otherwise I've seen these factory crimps fail. There it is right there. There it is. All right. I'll use the lighter and that'll just seal the deal. Shrink wrap. Hold it a little stronger. All right. And now I'll trace this back to this lead here. Looks like everything else is okay. There we go. Easy to see in there, but it looks like I got it really good. Ow! There we go. We are ready to run. Everything else looks good. I don't know where the cover is. If I could find it, I'd put it on. Like it's missing. That's too bad. Alright, well, we're ready to run. Take an amp draw reading. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See what happens. Fired right up and it's nice and cold. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and take that amp draw reading now. Go to amps AC, we'll just get one wire. Got our new wire that we just put in. 14 amps. See what our plate says. Yeah, we're good. Check on the yellow start wire. Got 7 amps. 13.47. 15 amps. It's a good deal. Back in the mix. We're running again. I recovered a 5, which I needed because I'm getting really low. Saved at 45. Recovered a jumper wire. All in all, it's a good deal. All right. Lighter back in the bag. Recovered a 35 as well. There's a long little size there. Good. roof. It's hot. It's good and hot. Alright. Put my cover back on and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Stay cool out there. Nice Palm Springs day. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Hope you like the video and subscribe to get the latest content. New videos posted often.